The tragic stabbing death of Iryna Zarutska is renewing calls for change within the court system tonight.
Advocates say a lack of mental health training may have played a role. WCNC Charlotte's Jesse Pierre live in South End tonight. And Jess, you spoke with a mental health advocate pushing for change.
That's right. Now, you know, when someone gets arrested, a magistrate is often their first point of contact with the judicial system, and that official decides their conditions of release. Now, mental health advocates I spoke to argue that too often those decisions are being made without the full understanding of a person's mental health. Fonda Bryant has spent years training people on how to recognize signs of mental illness. She says the courts are no exception, and she wants magistrates and judges to take courses like Mental Health First and QPR training, a suicide prevention program. She says it's training that could make the difference.
And I think when they get this training that they will get it and realize that, hey, you know, people call us crazy. This man is not crazy. He is in a psychosis state. He does not need to be released to the streets because really that's not helping anyone. That's not helping him. That's not helping the public. He needed to be in a bed for long-term care. Mental health is not a quick fix.
Bryant says cases like Decarlos Brown highlights why courts need better tools to make more informed decisions. She adds that breaking down the stigma around mental illness will also encourage more people to get help when they need. And she is working with the Mecklenburg County courts to get those trainings in front of officials. Live in South End, Jesse Pierre, WCNC Charlotte.
And just one of the many ways we've seen over this week that officials and community leaders are trying to change.
Work together.
Yeah.
Thanks, Jesse.